Hello and welcome to another Trend Micro how-to video. In this video, we will be showing you how to disable the Advanced Protection Service from the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing. The Advanced Protection Service facilitates advanced scanning and protection features. Features such as predictive machine learning, browser exploit prevention, and behavior monitoring for ransomware protection use this service. Now let's go ahead and log into the Apex Central Web Console. Go to Policies and select Policy Management. Make sure that Apex One Security Agent is the selected product. Click on the test policy that was copied and created from the current policy. Now make sure to specify the machines that will be included for this test. Find additional service settings, then click to expand. Uncheck Advanced Protection Service for both Windows desktops and Windows Server platforms. Now click Deploy, and wait for the policy to be deployed. Also, please do take note of the policy version. On the agent side, to verify if the policy was deployed successfully, right-click on the Security Agent icon, then click on Open Security Agent Console. Hover on the icon at the bottom right of the Agent Console. It will now show you that predictive machine learning is in fact turned off, since this feature requires the Advanced Protection Service. For additional verification, click on the pattern version to go to the component version page. Scroll down, then hover on the information icon and verify if the policy version is the same version showing from the Apex Central Web Console. And that's it. That's how you disable the Advanced Protection Service from the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing. For more how-to support videos, please click the Trend Micro button to subscribe now. To keep watching, click on any of these videos. Also, for the latest in Trend Micro updates and information, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you for watching.